Hey everyone, welcome back to HowTechs. Today we have a Samsung S7 Edge and we're going to show you how to change the SIM card. So you need to take your SIM removal tool. If you can't find the one that came with your phone, you can take one from a different phone or take a paper clip and just straighten it out. And you want to go to the top of the phone. There's two holes here. You want to make sure you go for the one on the left which has the tray connected to it. This one is for noise cancellation microphone. Don't push in that. So you want to take this one and push gently and firmly in that small hole and the tray will pop out. And so this is a dual tray. It can take two things, in this case both the SIM card and the microSD card. So the SIM card goes in this smaller one here. So you want to line up the chamfered edge you can see here into the angled cut of the tray. So it should fit in like that with the bottom right edge being the angled corner. And you can slide it in like this. And then when you push it in, you got to make sure you push it in all the way so that it's smooth, because you don't want any water to get in here on this waterproof phone. So that's basically how you insert the SIM. If you want to remove it, just do the same steps again. You want to just reinsert the pin and slide it out gently. And in this case, it actually stays pretty well, but you definitely want to make sure you have the phone face up so that if it does fall out, it doesn't go on the floor and you lose it. So keep the phone face up when you're sliding in and out. And then be sure to put the tray back in. And one more thing, this has a waterproof seal, so you want to be very careful and make sure that you slide it in all the way so that it stays sealed and no water can get in. So that's the basics on changing the SIM card on a Samsung S7 Edge. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out our other how-to videos for this phone and many others here on HowTechs. Thanks and bye. Okay, so one more thing, let's just try out the pen just for fun. So as soon as you take it out, it seems to know.